Angel McMillian, a 5th grade science teacher here at Oakridge Elementary School, and I'm here to show you our mobile lab for science that is super cool and super neat for the students. We get to store a lot of resources in all of our cabinetry. We have a portable pump, so when students are here at the additional sink, they're able to do their chemical reactions and they don't have to go outside the classroom. The groups can stand here and take their notes and collaborate together. Another neat thing is that we can roll it outside, so when we do our experiments in nature, they can actually come to the table outside and do their experiments together without having to come back in. So we are very excited to have this piece. It really keeps the students engaged, and engagement is necessary so they can think on a higher level. I often tell them it's not asking that you always think you have the right answer, but asking questions as a scientist is very important. And so this helps them continue that engagement, and we're so excited and grateful to have this mobile lab here at Oakridge.